The term icebreaker, are your toes curling and your stomach flipping? I was that type of learner too. Let's see if we can get you excited about icebreakers. Well, maybe not that excited, but let's have a go. My experience of icebreakers is standing up in front of a classroom with attendees that I don't know and explaining a fun fact or an interesting fact about myself, which can be quite nerve-wracking. Asking these type of questions can have an opposite effect on learners finding their voice. Icebreakers can be an effective tool for trainers to utilise if they're planned and delivered well. So icebreakers provide learners with opportunities and they create a curiosity for delegates to have conversations during break times. Icebreakers can change the atmosphere of that training session. It encourages our learners to build a rapport with one another, and it also opens a dialogue of communication and discussions to be had, especially when learners are quite curious. So not all groups that we train are unfamiliar with one another. They may work within the same department or the same sort of floor as another colleague also attending the course. At Caring for Care, we believe icebreakers are exceptionally important. Although you're quite familiar with one another, you may have a senior member of staff, a manager, for example, within the room, which can be quite daunting for you. But we want everyone to come together and participate in that training as one whole group. And Icebreakers is a great opportunity to do that.